Hi, so on the previous lecture we've created our virtual environment, we've also created our Django project. So let's open our virtual environment and let's take a look at our home. This is our home right now, the Django, and let's open our code. First, make sure that your virtual environment is activated, and I'm gonna open code in VS Code, actually. So this is our code right now. And we need to create our app. So we're gonna say Python manager.py start app, and we're gonna call this app posts or post. So let's hit enter. So this is the name of our app, and if we open it, you can see that we have a new folder with the name of post, which contains the views, the models, the apps, and the admin, and so on. So this is awesome. So now we've just created our new app. Let's open VS Code here. So we have this post. So when we create a new app, we need to add this app to our installed apps in the settings.py. So here, we're gonna add our post app, and just like this. And now let's run our server. So we're gonna say Python manage.py run server, and now we will get the same message. We have unapplied migrations, so let's apply those migrations. So we're gonna say Python manage.py migrate to apply those migrations. Just like this. Yeah. Let's clear the screen and let's run our server again. So now let's open the admin. And here we are. So the admin asks us for a username and the password, although we did not create a username and the password. So let's create one. So here I'm gonna say, let's clear the screen first. I'm gonna say Python manage.py create super user as one word, and I'm gonna create super user with the name of admin. The email address I'm not gonna write it, and the password, yeah, just like this. The password is too common, okay, yes. And let's run our server. So now we've just created our super user. So here, let's type the username, the admin, and the password. So let's hit login. So this is the user in the groups, and this is our Django admin page. So this is awesome. So now let's open our app models, or post app models, and let's start creating our model. So we're gonna create a simple plug actually. So we're gonna say class post, which will inherit from models dot model, and we're gonna say title equal to models dot core field with the max length equal to 15, and we're gonna see the body of this post will be the models dot text field, and we're gonna see the max length equal to 1000, just like this. So let's save this, and now let's take a look at our server. Everything is running. So let's create a make migration and migrate, because we've edited the models.py file. So we're gonna say Python manage.py make migrations. So as we can see, create model post, and let's migrate, and let's run our server. So now we've just created our post model. So let's refresh this page, and there is nothing in the admin. This happens because we did not add this model in our admin file. So to add this, we're gonna say from .models import the post, and we're gonna say admin.site.register the post. Actually, I'm assuming that you know the basics of Django, because this is this course for just deploying the Django project on DigitalOcean, but it's just a simple review. So now let's refresh, and here we are, we have the posts. So let's add a post. I'm going to say welcome to Django, and so I'm going to say welcome to Django deploy. So let's hit save, and now we have post object. So we need to retrieve the title. So here in our models, let's define our str method, which will return the self.title. Sorry, this is return self.title. So now let's refresh. So we have welcome to Django. So this is awesome. So now let's open the views, and let's create a view. So we're going to say div. We can use function-based views or class-based views. Both of them are working, so we're going to use function. So we're going to say div post list, which will take a request, and div post detail, which will also take a request and will take the primary key. So now we have the post list and the post detail. So we need to create a URL for this post. So we're going to create a new file here with the name of urls.py. And let's open the main URL. Let's copy this. Let's add it in here. So there is no need for admin, and there is no need also for let's keep this actually. So now this is, let's import our views. So we're going to say from.views import, and we need to import the post list and the post detail. Okay, and we're going to say post list, and I'm going to say the name equal to the post list, and let's duplicate this, and this is the post detail, and this is the post detail, but this will take primary key, and it's an integer, just like this. And here we need to add the app name label, which is for post, and we need to connect this URL to our main URL on the blog. So here we're going to say both, and we're going to say blog slash, and this is, let's import include from URLs, yeah. And we're going to say include post or app.urls, yeah, just like this. So now let's make sure our server is running. Name post is not defined. So now we got an error. Yeah. So now our server is running well. So now we have this node. Actually, let's open our code and let's remove this. Okay. So now we've just created a URL inside our post app. Then we've connected this URL to the main URL using the include. Okay. So now we have the post list and the post detail. So there is nothing called home. So we need to give it /blog, and our view list did not return HTTP response. So we need to retrieve some posts on our views here. So we need to say from .models import post, and here we're gonna say post list equal to, and we're gonna say post dot objects dot all. Just like this, and we're gonna say the template name equal to, and we're gonna say plug slash list.html or post slash, and we're gonna say the context equal to, and we're gonna say post list is our post list, just like this, and we're gonna return the render of our request with our template name, and our context. Yeah, just like this. So let's save this and let's refresh our page. So we've got an error. There is nothing called list.html. Template does not exist. So here in our post, we're going to create a new folder with the name of templates, and inside this folder we're going to create another folder with the name of post, the name of our app, and inside this post we're going to create a new file called list.html, and here we're going to say h1 say post list. So let's refresh our page. So we still got the same message, template does not exist. So let's in our settings.py, let's move to the templates, and here we need to give it the name of the folder, so we're going to say templates, and here let's refresh our page. So we've got post list. Okay, this is awesome. So let's do the same with the post detail. So let's copy this, and here we're going to see the post detail, posted objects dot get, and I'm going to say pk equal to the pk that we've got from the URL, and this is the detail.html, and this is the post detail. Yeah, just like this. So now let's give it an ID equal to 1, enter, and post detail does not exist. So here let's create a new file with the name of detail.html. We're gonna see here post detail. So let's refresh our page, and there is a post detail. Okay, this is awesome. So here in the post detail we can give it the title of the post. So we're gonna say title equal to, or we're gonna say h3, and we're gonna say title, and we're gonna say post underscore detail, the context name we've retrieved, the post detail dot title. So let's refresh. So we have welcome to Django, our post and our ad. Okay, this is awesome. And in the post list we can loop over posts. So I say for every post in post detail we will see post.title. So in the list we should see the title. So let's review for our post. No, sorry, this is post list. So let's refresh. So we have welcome to Django, and if we move to /1, this is welcome to Django. Okay, so we need to connect this the list with a URL. So here in the post we're gonna see h, and we're gonna close this e tag like this, And here we need to give it a name. So let's open our URL. This is the post detail. And in our main URL, we need to give it a name. So we're going to say name space equal to, and we're going to say blog. So here in our list, we're going to say URL equal to, and we're going to say blog colon post detail, and we need to give it the post.pk as a parameter because post detail takes a pk from us. So now let's refresh. So we have welcome to Django, and when we press on this welcome to Django, we see our post detail welcome to Django. So now we've just created a simple blog which we can create posts from admin. So let's add a new post. Let's see, deploy Django on DigitalOcean and welcome to this post. So let's save this, and we have another post, and let's move to the home, and we have two posts, and when we press on this deploy Django on DigitalOcean, so we have deploy Django on DigitalOcean. So now we've just created a simple blog. I assume that you know all we've done right now, just creating a simple project, only one app, creating a simple model, consists of two fields, the title and the body, using the str method to retrieve the title, creating a URL on our post app, just to contain the post list and the post detail, creating let's see the HTML, adding templates, and so on. So I assume that you know everything we've just created right now. So now it's time that we start creating an account on DigitalOcean, setting up our server, then uploading this project to the DigitalOcean. And we're gonna do this but in the next lecture.